Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, February 5th. So what do we got going on? At 8:30 here, we had a bunch of numbers, and we had core retail sales, which were minus 0.6%. We had Empire State Manufacturing Index, which was better than expected, but negative. Retail sales were also negative. We had unemployment claims, which were better than expected, and we had Philly Fed manufacturing, which was positive, which is that's very good. Just that it's a positive number, and it was better than expected. And we have import prices, which were higher than expected. So we got it really mixed information here. We have the retail sales going down. That's bad for the economy. However, we have the Empire State and the Philly Fed manufacturing both better than expected, which means manufacturing is good or better than it has been. Import prices being up is inflation. So mixed signals here from the economic numbers. Yeah, it is what it is. Capacity utilization rate and industrial production at 9:15. 10 o'clock, we have business inventories and the housing market index. 1:15, we have a FOMC member Waller speaking. And that's basically it during the market trading hours. So few items to look for today, not too much, and basically low impact to medium impact. The big number, of course, was really retail sales, which was worse than expected. So, of course, the market loved the number because that means that the Fed may have to reduce interest rates. So again, this is a great example where bad news is good, which is completely nonsensical. That being said, moving on. Yesterday, we got a big chunk of the sell-off day back. And again, I think this is maybe part of a dead cat bounce. I think we need to be a lot lower. We certainly need to back and fill so we have some support and resistance levels, but it is what it is. And we're slightly up on the day currently in pre-market action. Where can we go? Obviously, that high there is within reach, 50.65, but I would say yesterday's low is definitely within reach as well, 49.68. That's kind of the bracket that you're going to be in probably today. Any patterns of interest? No, other than we are just marching up. I don't see any particular pattern other than it is in an uptrend. Looking at the intraday, 60-minute here, looking at inventory, positive price action, correlated, everybody's happy. So nothing to talk about there. The intraday, overnight action was approximately 21 points. Which is about average. So it was 5,011 to 31. It's 20 points. That's right at average. So nothing great to say about volatility or expected volatility. You can see here the market loved it right at the beginning and has subsequently come down because it is bad news for the economy. Even though the Fed may or may not lower interest rates. I don't see the Fed lowering interest rates till at least August, October, somewhere in there. I think inflation, once it gets started, it gets embedded. It's very, very difficult to control without having a major recession or going into a deflationary time. So, is what it is. Where do we have significant resistance levels? So we've got some resistance around 50.38, 50.55-ish, and 50.78. Support, we've got support around the 5,000 number. We've been talking about that. And there's actually been some action around that 50.10 area as well. Dropping down, good confluence around 49.68. So those are your support and resistance numbers. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 66.7. 66.7. So it's a positive bias based on the Stock Trader's Almanac for this day in time. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.